There are times when going to the gym is harder than the physical exercise itself. There can be many reasons for this, be it your busy schedule, lack of motivation, or pure laziness. But what if you can cut your belly at home itself? I know you have thought of this as well, but you never got started because you didn't have anyone to guide you with a home workout. Don't worry, Genius Insight is here for you with effective exercises and enormous results to back it up. Just subscribe to the channel and that would be more than helpful. So, let's get started with the video. You can significantly lose your body fat with these 5 exercises by performing them daily at your home. 1. Crunches. The most effective exercise to burn stomach fat is crunches. Crunches rank top when we talk of fat-burning exercises. Keep a check on your breathing pattern when you perform the exercise. It will also help in building abs while melting belly fat. 2. Zumba. Workouts are not a punishment and therefore, some fun workouts can do wonders for your health. Zumba workout is a high-intensity exercise. It helps in improved cardiovascular fitness, lowered cholesterol and lowers blood sugar levels, and melts belly fat quickly. So, put on some music and start with some Zumba workout right now. 3. Vertical leg exercises. Leg raises are great for your abs and the obliques. It helps in building stronger abs, increase stability and strength, melt belly fat and tone your body. Leg raises completely isolate the rectus abdominis muscle, which helps in toning your stomach. Building your core muscles will increase your metabolism, which is key to burning fat throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. 4. Cycling. Cycling is an effective way to burn belly fat. Cycling helps in getting your heart rate up and also has the capacity to burn a significant amount of calories. Cycling helps you to lose weight in your thighs and waist. So, start commuting with your bike to nearby places. Be regular and this exercise can be really effective in cutting down belly fat. 5. Aerobics. Aerobic exercise provides cardiovascular conditioning. The term aerobic actually means with oxygen, which means that breathing controls the amount of oxygen that can make it to the muscles to help them burn fuel and move. These workouts are effective, simple, fun, and great for burning the maximum amount of calories. That was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like if you did, and comment down below for suggestions for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any videos. See you at the next one. Thanks for watching. Keep your inner genius alive.